Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're down here at the, what they call it, London Bridge Canal, Bridgewater Canal. There's the London Bridge. We're going to go on a boat ride. Yay! We're going to go to Havasu Landing. Yay, yay! My $2 ticket right here at the kiosk.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Thank you, sir.
How you doing? All aboard. Here we go. This is the big boat. I never rode on this one. I always took the small boat.
Morning.
How you doing, sir?
Good. How are you?
Good. Let's go up top. Check it out. A 3-hour tour. What a pretty day. Look at this. Look at the water. A little chilly, not bad. Good. It's supposed to be windy here in a bit. There's the bridge. I thought it'd just be fun, something different. Take a $2 boat ride. Looks like they're getting ready to shove off here. Only takes a few minutes to get over to the Havasu Landing. Away we go. Actually, brand new casino. Never been in there. So it's been over a year since I took the boat ride. So we're going to check it out. Big motel, hotel, resort right here in the water. This channel's man-made. This was dug out when they put in the bridge. That place is always busy, all the time. I don't know if you remember the video a while back. This is right here, Havasu State Park shoreline. There's the parking lot up there. Look at the quackers. They like eating that seaweed. They'll dive down there and have lunch. A duck's heaven. Well, now if you remember, here's that green grassy area. Then coming up will be that one of the lighthouses. Sat right on that bench, filmed this boat going out. When was that? That was like 2-3 weeks ago, I guess. Check out that video. All right, we're gonna head across the big pond here. We'll actually be in California when we get to the other side. Crossing state lines. There's that lighthouse. It's really loud, I apologize. But away we go. They're burning fuel now. Yeah, this boat's so heavy, it's just plowing water. Look at it. The smaller boat has a much better observation deck where you can see out the front. This one's all blocked off. But any boat ride's a good boat ride for $2. There's that brand new casino. Never been in there. It was under construction. My goodness, that had been a year and a half ago. I was over here, but they were building it. The other casino's clear at the other end of the landing here. So they got new docks and everything. Wow, this is fancy. Not a single boat in here, huh? Well, it's California. They really got restrictions out yet on everything. It's amazing this casino's open. Absolutely amazing. I really don't gamble, really don't care about casinos, but boat ride, see the beach. There's an RV park here. We can go find that. See what else we can see. Look at this, brand spanking new. The old docks at the other end, they were all covered in seaweed. It was old. There's one boat. There's that little boat right there. There's the little boat that I rode before. Forget the name of them. I think that was Dreamcatcher or something. Get off this thing in just a sec. Okay, made it. Yeah, look at these. These are brand spanking new. Havasu Landing. They sell fuel. There you go. Yeah, look at the size of that thing. It's a lot faster. Here's the little one. Yep, Dreamcatcher. So you could sit way up on the deck right up front. That was all cool. This one, they got you pinned inside or behind. But falls more people and much faster. Well, let's take a little stroll on the beach. Really can't film inside, so anyway, I'm sure it's full of slot machines. Okay. There's the two cruiser boats. They haul a lot of people. They haul school kids here. There's families that live over here. This is actually a community. Not sure how many people live over here. This is reservation land too. Look at the beach. I'm the only one out here. Winds are picking up a little bit. There it is. They got hotel rooms and everything. Never done it. Get on over here. It's kind of cool to drive over here from Lake Havasu. Is horrible. It's like 80 some miles. Or a 10-minute boat ride. Well, you want to rent a boat, jet ski, here you go. Kayak. Look at the palms. Look how big them things are. Got one jet ski ready to go. That's some pretty cold water in this wind to be out there. Huge beach on this end. They didn't have it like this at the old casino. This is huge. Fire pit there, more jet skis. Let's go check out the RV park. Really big park. It spreads out a big area, a lot of sites. You can get pretty close to the water. They're pretty spread out. I've never stayed here. I wouldn't mind coming over and camping a couple days. There's a hardware store here, and you can buy fuel clear at the other end. I'm not going to walk that far, but you can see this is all camping. I think they allow tents over here too. Definitely got the casino closer to the RV park. Now the winds are really picking up. Water's getting rough. Look at it. Look at Havasu across the lake, though. See, look how big that is. Gives you a good perspective just how big Lake Havasu has gotten. There goes my ride. USS Minnow, 3-hour tour. Goodness. Yep, they run once an hour. There's mobile homes here, RV parking. See how far back it goes. This is a pretty good sized little community. Havasu Landing. This is California. See down that direction, that's where the old casino is. That building down there. There's their old docks. Beautiful Lake Havasu, and directly across is Havasu City, Arizona. Just a real unique place, and it gets brutal hot here too. There's a good look. There's a casino. Now you can really see just how big that RV park is. Actually, it's laid out much better with the casino closer to the park. I'm sure in non-COVID times they'll have good food and restaurants and everything will be opened up. Havasu Landing. Get you a good view by the water. Get a room. If you don't have an RV, you can still stay over here. Here comes my ride. Came back for me. Yay! There's a good look at it. Big boat. It runs, they can run it through pretty rough water, but they'll shut it down if the winds get too bad. Well, they're getting parked. They'll unload and get us loaded, and away we go. Back over to Arizona. I'm glad I came over here today. It's fun to see all this brand new, everything. Right back to Havasu State Park. Look at the ducks floating through the canal. There's the big resort. People sitting on the decks out there. No clue what they charge. I'm sure it's a good price. But what a way to spend a vacation now. Just announced they got to turn the boat around. There's a big floating object in the water. Oh, look at everyone waiting. Getting later in the day. That little floating bar there. This guy's good. He's backing it right in here. Look at the London Bridge. He's putting it right here on the dock. Those blue boats, they're tour boats. They'll take you up and down the river. I think it's like 40 or 50 bucks, private tours. Oh, I see the floating. Look at it. That's why he turned around, was that thing. They want to hit it. What's the saying? Any day's a good day to be on the water. For $2 you can't be. Just a boat ride alone's fun. Let's go and have lunch or something. The journey continues. Talk soon.